play with them at home.
If I was in LA, I could just wear this outside, but it's freezing here. So I'm gonna put on a sweatshirt, some socks, the full deal, so I can go on a little walk. I have a little sweatshirt with my alma mater, Elon University on it, so I'm probably gonna throw this on. Oh, okay, let's hit it. Thank you to Baked by Melissa for this unexpected treat. I'm about to eat a few of these. They're so tiny and small that it's so easy just to eat a million of them. So we got Chipotle for lunch. Just ordered it off the app. I've been craving this a lot recently, so we caved. So stunning. So I went on my walk so far today. I ate Chipotle. Super productive things, watched some YouTube. I was gonna wash my hair, but then I realized that my hair actually is kind of okay. Like I can definitely go another day without washing it. For a while, I was washing my hair every single day because I feel like my hair gets so greasy so quickly. But I read somewhere that like in order to get your hair to not do that, so you can go longer, you have to like fight through having it be greasy for a while and then let your hair like replenish the oils or something. I don't know if this is a myth, but I believe that that is how people do it. Like that's how people get their hair, or train their hair to be able to go longer. So yeah, I put my hair into this like little headband. This headband is from Anthropologie. I got it online. I think it comes in other colors, but I put a bit of makeup on my face because I was recording something for Instagram. Now I'm gonna do some emails. I have a few emails that I need to get back to. I think one of the worst things ever is having your hair like look perfect and then having to put a sweater or sweatshirt over top of your head. Like I dread it every time. You know, it has to be done, right? I feel like I should have just like put on the sweatshirt first maybe, but I'm not very good at that sort of thing. Oh my god, it's not gonna go well, guys. This is about to be tragic. All right, ta-da. I don't feel like I'm one of those people that can pull off / just even accomplish like a trendy ponytail. I feel like whenever I put my hair in a ponytail, it always just like screams, I needed to wash my hair today and I didn't. Like I feel like I can't accomplish the trendy ponytail. Like does anyone else feel like that? Headband is all I can really do, honestly. Okay, caramels from Trader Joe's are like crack. They're so good. I can't stop eating them. They're called like the Fleur de something. Whenever I walk by the little container, I just can't not take one. There's a person absolutely zooming on a paddleboard outside. That takes some serious muscle. Oh my god. I'm mostly caught up on emails. It's always when I get caught up that a million more creep in. I feel like that's just like life. But are you guys one of those people that sometimes will see a text come in and just decide that you're just not emotionally ready to answer it yet, even if it's something like just super mundane and like normal? I'm just like, you know, I think that's like for a later time I'm gonna answer that. I don't find that to be a bad thing. I have these friends that I'm just like we have a mutual understanding that we both will not respond to text right away, but post on social media in the meantime. So like we clearly know that we got the text, we're just like not ready to respond yet. And I just have mutual understandings with people about that. And I think it's just like so rational because I don't know, texting sometimes like overwhelms me.
I don't have to resize things. If after I add color, I do want to go in and resize things. Essentially when you resize things in Procreate, even if you're sizing them down or if you're rotating them, things get a tiny little bit fuzzy. So for this sticker sheet, I decided to be very self-indulgent and I drew things that were very kind of...
I don't think Dad needs anything.
What is Katie? You have a hole in your butt.
You have a hole in your butt.
Guys, I wore these pants. I wore these leggings around the whole neighborhood and there's a huge hole in my butt. Can you see it? There's a huge hole in the butt of my leggings. And I wore these around the neighborhood like all this morning. Was like walking around, speed walking with like a hole in my butt, and I was about to wear them to Ulta. So we're good, we're wearing black leggings now. These are from Free People, but I do actually recall the incident when this happened. I was sitting on our dock, scooting myself off the dock to get onto the floating dock where the kayaks are down there, and a splinter ripped a hole in my butt. So, okay, so now we're gonna try this again. There she is. We did some damage at Ulta, would you say?
Yeah, I would say so.
It could have been worse. It really could have been worse.
Yeah.
We were under control for the most part. We were really contained, really contained. I ended up getting like a few little things and I'm like, I just like blacked out in there and something happened. But for the most part, yeah, we got necessities. Like setting spray. I'm gonna give you guys the full haul when we get home, but long story short here, we got the essentials. I got the moisturizer that I went for. I got a bunch of other things as well, but like this was the reason for the trip. Wow, it's actually a nice little spot for the camera. It doesn't go anywhere in this little crevice here.
I'm gonna go over these bumps really slow though.
See, look, it's not coming, it's not falling. So we're gonna get some coffee. It is 3:30 and I know that's kind of late in the day to have coffee, but it's really important, so.
It's a necessity.
Did you see that guy staring out the door of the liquor store? Ooh, okay, now the camera's gonna move. Ashley, do you want to tell the people what you got? Oh, Mom's in the background.
Don't get me!
I'm not getting you in.
Going
I zoomed in. Mom's going on the Peloton.
Okay.
Okay, haul.
So I got a brow gel.
Hold it out like a beauty blogger. Ooh. Gimme Brow by Benefit we got.
Because I use Boy Brow from Glossier right now and I'm running out. So I wanted to try a new one. Then I got a setting spray, you know, classic Urban Decay. Apparently my mother already got me it for Christmas, but it's fine, I'll have two. And then I saw this on TikTok, of course.
But your sister also used to work for L'Oreal.
But I've seen it's really good, so got it. So we got 3.
One for me, one for Ashley, one for my mom.
All the ladies of the house. And then I don't like my current face wash because I left the one that I use regularly at school, so I got a new one, CeraVe.
A lot of you guys recommended it to us.
Skincare by
It's a really good
Hiram.
brand.
Doesn't he like this one?
I think Hiram approves of this.
Or is it the other guy?
I don't remember. I watch so many skincare people on Instagram, on YouTube.
It is golden hour up in here. I thought I would come in this room and shoot a little haul. So mini little makeup haul. It's been a hot second since I've hauled makeup or skincare on YouTube, so we're back with a little skincare / makeup haul, mostly makeup. I got one skincare item. The goal of the trip was to get a new moisturizer because I'm not loving the one that I have. I have such dry skin and I feel like my skin just hurts right now. It's just like painful dry skin because of the winter. I asked you guys on Instagram to recommend a new moisturizer for me. A lot of you guys recommended the Roche Posay, and I actually know this brand because they're a L'Oreal owned brand, so when I used to work there, I saw this all the time, and honestly, I just never thought that the packaging was very cute. So I was like, I'm not interested. It doesn't really matter when the product inside is good. So I got this. It's really good for sensitive skin, apparently. It's the Double Repair Face Moisturizer. There was one with SPF and one without. I got the one without because I wear my Neutrogena SPF, but I'm like, oh, whoa. Couldn't test it out in the store because, as we know, like testers are not a thing right now, but okay, it's fragrance free, which I like. So good on the skin already. So I'm gonna try this out over like a week or so and let you guys know what I think. This is the initial reason for the Ulta trip, but classically I have no willpower and I made the mistake of asking you guys for recommendations of makeup products. First thing I got is something I've been putting off getting for a long time. I've just been like so just over the idea of using eyeshadow primer. I'm like, I don't really need it. Like, it's just an extra step. It's like kind of unnecessary, but it just really is necessary because I have the worst like dry lids and they crease. I know like oily lids also crease really easily, but dry, it's just really bad, the creasing situation. So I needed to get a primer. So I got the little baby version of the Urban Decay primer potion. This is like an OG beauty YouTuber. I got a new concealer because the one that I'm using is like out. It's the Maybelline one. So I got a Becca concealer. I couldn't test it, so I'm just kind of hoping. Yeah, it looks to be the right shade. So I got the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, so we'll try this out. I really just wanted to try something new, so we're gonna do it. Might hate it, who knows? I wanted a new highlighter and I saw this Benefit one. So this is the Benefit Cookie. Benefit Cookie, a swirl of golden pearl, stroke this silky fine powder highlight along cheekbones for a delicious soft gold shimmer. So it actually, look at that shimmer, wow. I didn't even put on that much, and you can already see the shininess. So, I mean, this is gonna be great on my face. So this was Cookie from Benefit. The next thing I got is from Clinique. Oh, that was not cute. I just like stuck my finger in the eyeshadow. I'm kind of over the palette life because I feel like out of a palette, I only ever use like 2 of the shades because I'm so plain with my eyeshadow shades, or not plain, but just like very specific with what I want. I want like a nice champagne shimmer, and it's hard to find the perfect one. And I've been using Sin from Urban Decay a lot. I do love that one, but I wanted something a little bit warmer. So I got this shade from Clinique. It's in O2 Cream Pop. Can you see that? Hope so. So I'm gonna try this out. I also just loved the overall flower shape of it, just really cute. We got that golden sun on my face. Hope I look nice and dewy, but I probably just look really tired. So like Ashley was saying, I got the Telescopic Mascara. When I was working at L'Oreal, so many people in the office were obsessed with this mascara. It just really is that good, and it's a kind of a beauty guru favorite. I feel like a lot of OG YouTubers rave about this mascara. All that time working at L'Oreal, and I never tried it. I don't know why, I just never tried it, but I saw how, when we were on shoots, how it really did affect the model's lashes in such a great way and really separates, really elongates. So I'm excited to try them out for myself. So, I've been thinking recently about how much the lip industry is suffering right now just because of all the masks. I feel like people aren't wearing lip products as much because, naturally you put the mask on and your lipstick goes all over the place. So I wanted to support my favorite lip brand, Buxom. I have a few of their glosses back in LA, in my opinion, and my friend's opinion. Buxom has the best lip gloss. It's plumping. It's not super thick and like heavy feeling on your lips. It's super like, oh, I just kind of ate that a little bit by accident. It just like glides on the lips. You got that plumping happening. So the shade I just put on is called Celeste. It starts plumping right away. So I got the Ultimate Lip Party Kit because it was only $39 and you got all these different shades which all look extremely wearable. Maybe one of them doesn't look really like I would wear it a ton, but it comes with 6 like little baby mini lip glosses which are good to put in a purse. And then we have 2 lip liners, which is fun. I don't really use lip liner, but maybe I should start. So I love the little sizes, and it means that, because I tend to like do this thing where I have a lip gloss and then I lose it before I finish it, kind of like a chapstick, or it just like lives in a certain purse and I forget to take it out. So I got all these little baby ones I can try. I had these 2 before, I know, so I'm excited to try them again in mini form. So got that from Buxom. Think of your faves in the lip industry right now because they are just most certainly not doing so well. I think the whole makeup industry is probably not doing so great. So that's what I scooped up from Ulta today. Thank you guys for watching this little like Vlogmas haul. I don't know if I'm gonna really film much else because I just have a few little client things to work on. Every Vlogmas day has been looking a little bit different. I'm trying to spice it up for you guys and not give you the same like regurgitated vlog every day. So let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what other things you guys are interested in seeing this Vlogmas. We'll definitely deliver. Maybe some martini making, maybe some cookie baking, because I don't really do other cooking. Cooking isn't really my thing if you haven't been able to notice. So yeah, that is really it for this little haul. I'm so excited to try all these things out, and like, it's just so fun having new makeup to play around with. So yeah, that was my little haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed this vlog, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.